Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. Well, if you can't find it, then you go to settings, and then you go to the network and internet, and then to the hotspot and tethering. Wi-Fi hotspot, and here you can enable it. Here you can, for example, change its name. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its security protocol. In advanced, you can change its password. You can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. You can set up max amount of connections. You can enable like hotspot control mode, normal mode, or whitelist mode. Here you can add devices to whitelist manually. And yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.